When I bought my DJI Mavic Mini, I got the combo version, which came with the extra batteries, but also this handy travel case, which includes compartmentalized space for the Mini itself, the 3 battery pack, the controller, plus spare propellers and the wiring. I then bought the propeller guard from DJI, and I know there are other ones on the market, but I find this pretty useful when you're traveling out and about and you just want to stick the Mini in your pocket. The downside is, unfortunately, it just doesn't fit anymore in the case, no matter which way you try and put it in. And if you want to add a set of maybe ND filters, then unfortunately again, there's no room in the case for all this gear. So then I came across the PGYTech case, and now I've got room just for everything. I can put in the Mini with the guard control on, the controller, the 3 battery pack, and I've still got space for my ND filters, bonus my GoPro and a couple of spare GoPro batteries, and I've still got room for my spare propellers and cables. And amazingly, the PGYTech case is actually smaller than the original DJI one. So in summary, if you want to get most of your gear into a slightly smaller case, then I'd certainly recommend the PGYTech case.